The Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, whenever any one of you sees a bad dream, something that depresses him when he wakes up, he should do the following. 1. Seek refuge in Allah Azza wa Jal from the cursed Satan 3 times. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem 3 times. And then dry spit to his left 3 times. And never tell anyone about it. The Prophet justifies, saying that because it is from shaitan and it would not harm it. Now this hadith called other scholars to comment on it and say that if you tell others about your bad dreams, there is a possibility that it will turn into a reality as a punishment. See, dreams can be one of 3, also told to us by the Prophet ﷺ. So this, once you understand it, it makes life easy. Whatever I see in my dreams, it is one of 3. Either it is glad tiding from Allah Azza wa Jal. So I go to bed, I'm looking for a job, and in my dreams, all what I see is good things, things that make me happy, things that make me positive, and I wake up feeling good. Inshallah, this is glad tidings from Allah that I'll get a good job or something good is coming my way. Secondly, dreams that are a representation of your subconscious. So if, for example, if I'm a tailor and I go to bed, usually I would have dreams about making a 3-piece suit to a customer, or a tuxedo, or a thobe, or a wedding dress. So this is all what I get dreams about because this is my subconscious working on me. Thirdly, dreams that are from shaitan, the Prophet tells us, and these are made to depress you. And shaitan is a blatant liar. So he comes into my dreams and he tells me that you remember losing your job, you remember the car accident you had, this was black magic done to you by your uncle, or your mother-in-law gave you an evil eye. So I wake up depressed, sad, and I have this enmity towards my uncle or my mother-in-law because of the dream. The Prophet told us, this is from shaitan. So move on and don't pay any attention to it.
Are you tired of all these annoying ads on YouTube? Are you worried that a haram video might pop up? Well, the One Islam TV app is here to solve these problems, inshallah. The One Islam TV app is 100% free of any ads and is safe to browse for your peace of mind. Watch or listen to lectures and lessons while you work, rest, or drive with your device switched off. Watch videos on demand or download videos and watch offline. Watch hundreds of high-quality produced Islamic reminders, Quran learning videos, stories of the prophets, and so much more. 2 to 4 new videos uploaded daily, inshallah. One Islam TV is 100% run and owned by Muslims, which means a small amount you pay for your subscription is a SADAQAH JARIYAH, continuous charity for you, as we use the funds raised to continue producing more beneficial videos and reminders, inshallah. The One Islam TV app is now available on Apple devices, Apple TV, Android devices, Android TV, Amazon Fire TV, and Roku, so you can watch on most devices and smart TVs. Download now for a free 7-day trial. May Allah reward you for supporting our work.